Shell has now hit back at the revenue authorities and challenged that 50,000 crore rupee order that was slapped on it by the Bombay High Court. For more on that, let's take it across to Ashwin Mohan, who joins in from our Mumbai newsroom. Tell us, Ashwin, is this move on expected lines, and how much do you think it will impact similar tax cases against other top corporates?
Oh yes, Tanya, this move is indeed on expected lines, and clearly the gloves are off, and don't expect anything less than a hard-knuckled brawl between Shell and the Income Tax Department, because remember, this is a massive case in terms of quantum. They've added 15,000 crore rupees to the taxable income of the global energy giant, and that of course results in a potential tax liability of 5,000 crore rupees. That's a tax hit that no MNC can take on its balance sheet, and therefore Shell will be going out all guns blazing as far as this tax case is concerned. What I picked up from top-level sources, of course, is that they have filed a writ petition at the Bombay High Court yesterday, and what I understand is that the High Court is likely to take up this crucial case for hearing on May 3rd. Keep in mind, though, that Shell is not the only company that has been affected by this particular tax demand order. There are a spate of MNCs as well as a spate of listed companies that have been hit by the Income Tax Department when it comes to alleged underpricing during intergroup issue of shares. Vodafone also has been hit by a similar order, and I understand from sources that Vodafone has also followed suit and filed a writ petition at the Bombay High Court. But yes, going on to your second question, how will it impact other cases, especially listed companies? There are at least 4 to 5 listed entities of the SR Group. They have been hit by similar orders. Bharti Telecom has also been hit by a similar order, HSBC Securities. So there are all these companies that are definitely likely to take a cue from what Shell and Vodafone have done, and they're likely to follow suit. And keep in mind also that after we broke the story in ET Now, Shell came back and told us that yes, the writ petition has been filed. They are in a position wherein they are ready to examine all options to redress this tax issue. And also another reason why this case is being looked at by corporate India and foreign investors is that tax experts are of the opinion that if the Income Tax Department goes ahead and attacks these kind of intergroup issue of shares, then that of course makes internal restructuring very risky. It also increases transaction costs. So therefore the outcome of this case, whether it be in the case of Shell, Vodafone or other companies, is extremely important, not only from a corporate point of view but also from a foreign fund flow point of view.